Hey everybody, good morning. Yalancy Peterson here. Today it is Sunday, May 13th, 2018. It is now 8:30 in the morning. And I just want to give a quick update on me and the Hyundai and the BMW and my experience going back to UberX and Lyft Classic. To all of the subscribers, to all of the UberX drivers, all of you. Lyft Classic drivers, Lyft Line, Uber Pool, I salute you. I really do. I have been humbled. I will say it. I've gotten a bit smug since I've had the BMW. Reveling in the fact I'm making all this money with this car and rolling around in this this big old fancy vehicle that I love, by the way. It's an awesome car, but still, I'm like. And I'm looking and I'm realizing that there is, I wouldn't survive as an UberX driver. I don't know, those of you that are pulling in the good money with the car, I salute you, I honor you, because no, I am weak. That's why I'm in the BMW, because I could not do what you do. Maybe it's because of my days as a bus operator, and I think that I've paid my dues. But I tell you, going back to UberX and looking at in Lyft and looking at $2.80 fares and doing all the driving and getting less than $20 a trip is really demoralizing when it comes down to it. So to all of you, I thank you, I honor you, I salute you, and my respect for the UberX driver, the Lyft Classic driver, the Uber Pool driver. It's even that much more higher than it was before. I've been brought back to reality, and reality is simply not fun. This is truly challenging work, and it's even more challenging when the compensation is not appropriate. I've been working primarily Lyft because for some reason I'm not getting pings on Uber, and I'm thinking maybe the reason why is because I don't have the airport placards. This car is through RideshareRental.com, and they have a very attractive referral program that I want to be a part of. The rate for this car is $39 a day, $199 a week, and $799 a month. With this vehicle, they have a 3-day trial period, which is basically $265, gets you in the car, and it's a brand new car. And when I say brand new, I mean brand new with no license plates on it. And it's great until you realize that you have a fundamental issue in LA, and that is picking up LAX trips. You need to have license plates on the car in order to get a placard so you can pick up trips at LA. So you can pick up trips at LAX. You're not supposed to receive ride requests without the placard. I've had one drop off on Lyft to the airport, and the reason why I took it was because that particular trip paid me $45. I needed that trip. So but between the hours of 12 midnight and 6 a.m. there is no enforcement of placards. So I was okay. I went ahead and did it, and there was no one there. But after 6 o'clock, between 6 a.m. and 12 midnight, you need to have your placard on your car. I've had a pretty good time. I've been as far north as Agora with UberX and Lyft, but I've been sitting here now at a spot in West Hollywood for about 2 hours, and I haven't received one ping on Uber, and that is in the middle of a surge. That's why I sat here. I mean, this surge was huge. It extended all the way to PCH. And I was right in the heart of it and did not receive a ping. But yet, I've had 3 cars parked behind me with Uber placards on them, and they got rides within 5 minutes of being behind me. I'm just like, what is wrong with me? What's wrong with my car? So I'm going back to Lyft because Lyft has been paying me, but I haven't been making a lot of money with Lyft. So we'll see. I haven't received any what are those things called with Lyft? It's not a surge, but it's a I think it's power driver or prime time. That's it. No prime time with Lyft. All right, so that's the brief update. I have a little mini review of the Hyundai coming up. It's not the greatest car review, but I'm going to post it so I can get your feedback on it, and we'll go from there. I hope that video is just a prototype. I don't like the video, but I'm gonna post it because I really need your feedback so I can just make better videos for the car, because it's coming along. But I'm not gonna post the car reviews until I'm happy with the car review. And right now, out of all the car review videos I've posted, I just simply haven't been happy with them. That's why the video isn't posted yet. And the video to me has to be perfect, especially for the BMW review. I've now got 71,000 miles on that 7 Series, and I really want to give the review on the car because a lot of people will want to know what my ownership experience has been with that car for 71,000 miles. And I can tell you, it has been fantastic. The car has been awesomely reliable. I've had no problems other than the situation with the cooling system, which were minor things, and recently the rear right air spring went out. But again, that was anticipated because most air suspensions, the springs, will last for about 70,000 miles before you have to replace it. That's just the reality. All right, that video is coming soon. Thank you, and I will catch you on the next video.